Hello, my name is Joseph Graham. I'm with the Perfect Timing B&I chapter. I'm just reaching out to all businesses in B&I, and just educating them. This isn't a sales video or anything. It's just purely education. This is what I do. Okay, and what I'm going to talk about are the key elements to ranking organically, and these have been tried and true for almost a decade. There's a lot of different technical things, but when you focus on these core elements right here, four of them, it's going to help you out drastically. All right, so the first one is your map listing. Anchors you in the town you want to rank in. Yes, you're in Fort Worth. Okay. This map listing right here, it needs to be optimized like 110%. There's a lot of information inside of this thing that is not filled out. A lot. Like no one sees your services, right? They're asking me if I own this business, which is not good. There's just a lot of things. So this map listing right here builds trust with the public, and it builds trust with Google, which is the highest traffic search engine next to Facebook. So you got Google and then you got Facebook. Okay. After this is citations, and citations go off of your name, address, and phone number, otherwise known as your NAP info. Okay. You're like, what is a citation? A citation is whenever your NAP info is on a website or like business directory. So if you have a Facebook page with that same information on there, that is a citation. If you have that same information on the local chamber of commerce, that is a citation. Here are literally 97 places where you can get a citation. The most common ones are like, Yelp, Yellow Pages, stuff like that. That's like common stuff. Like no one really knows about the other ones. This is 97, and there's literally like 400 more places you can get them. Okay, so just more places where you can promote your business. All right, after this is content, which is the words on your website. It needs to be authoritative and relevant to searchers. All right. For example, I typed in beer, right? Wikipedia pops up first because Wikipedia is the most authoritative and has the most relevant content. The last example was I typed in water damage. Again, Wikipedia pops up first because Wikipedia just has a lot of content that's relevant to water damage restoration. So when it comes to businesses and their services, it's really no different. It's really no different. As long as you have the most authoritative content on the topic, you will become the Wikipedia of this, which means you will become the most authoritative on this topic. So if I look for fire damage restoration service, all right, who's going to pop up for this? Somebody who's going to be relevant. Texas Best Water Damage Cleanup. They don't even have a website, and they're like here, right? Clean Magic and these guys. So that just goes to show you that it doesn't take much to get you here. You just have to have everything right. Okay. Following these key elements is going to get you right. So keep in mind that these people, let me show you. These guys up here, they're paying for ads. So Fort Worth Restoration / Disinfection, they're paying for ads. These guys are paying for ads. These guys are paying for ads. They're paying for ads because they're not here organically. This guy's paying for ads because he's not here organically. He has to buy his way in because they know the value of being on this property, page 1 of Google, right? This is how you do it. Citations, having your map listing optimized, content, and also backlinks. So backlinks are like votes from other sites. If ranking on page 1 was a race, your website is the vehicle that you're using for this race. And what do you want in a race? You want to use jet fuel or like rocket fuel, something that's just going to give you that juice. Okay, that's what these backlinks are. Anything that has a URL, which is everything on the internet, your map listing, your Facebook page, your website, it has a URL. Anything with the URL can get a backlink. So 911 Restoration Service or Fort Worth, they are one of your top competitors, yet they only have 1,300 backlinks. Okay, quality over quantity. Here's yours. You had like 13, let me see. You have 19,000 backlinks, yet you're not ranking. Quality over quantity. Okay. My name is Joseph Graham. I know you're busy, so if you want to just contact me or see what I do, my website is upshotsolutions LLC. I hope this was educational. Thanks.